I'm like so shook right now. Let me calm myself down. I am about to unbox my very own beauty box. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is like my most favoriteest unboxing I've ever done in my life. It is for the GLITZGLAMBOX, my very own beauty box. Guys, first, you know what to do. You know you want to press it. There's a button there. It says subscribe. You want to press it, so just subscribe. Guys, let me tell you, this has been a labor of love. It's been a labor of love, but we've officially launched. It is December 5th now. I know the video's 5 days overdue, but we had a crisis this weekend with brushes, and anyway, so we're filming it now. We are filming it now. Yay! So let's get into it, guys. So this is here's the outside. We wanted to do silver because I haven't seen any other beauty boxes that are silver. So we thought that was cute. We also have a little sticker in here. It says GLITZGLAMBOX. We don't do basic, hashtag GLITZGLAMBOX, and then our website on here. Because the theme of the box is we don't do basic. So it's a glam box. So sit up straight. Let me sit up straight. So it's a glam box. So it's for all things glam. So yeah, so here is literally how a box looks. Now this one includes a starter kit. Starter kits are sold separately. So we'll go over the starter kit after the actual box. So when you open your box, this is what you're gonna get. So we put little confetti in here. We also included a free gift for all of our pre-orders, and that is our GLITZGLAMCOSMETICS glitter. But we'll get into that. So we hand wrapped the contents of the box, and then we found these cute little bows to put on them. So I just thought this was so adorable to do, and it also protects it while it's shipping. So it's like a confetti like wrapping paper here, and also because it's the holiday theme. So yeah, and we just love these little red bows. We just think it's so cute. And then the paper inside is also confetti, so it's just really cute. So yeah, let's open it up, see what we got. So every box is going to include the same thing this month. So the thing is, the brushes and the lash styles vary. So basically you are getting a pair of lashes. So these are the glam lashes that we're giving out. There are a bunch of different styles. I'm wearing one style now. These are a little more natural. These are a little more dramatic. So it just depends on, you know, which box you got, which lashes you got. And then we also include a full-size crown brush. So this is a like oval brush, and they are crown brushes. You can see that there. And this one has a little groove, so you can, you know, when you're applying your eyeshadow, be comfortable. So yeah, so these are from the Pro line for crown brushes. So yeah, so everyone gets a full-size crown brush. Next up we have the matte liquid lipstick from XNOCOSMETICS. It's a super long wearing lipstick. Like, you put this on and it is legit not coming off all day long. So we wanted to do red shades because of the holiday. So this is Stiletto here. You can see, I love it. This is the one I love. Like, I just think this is so pretty and so Christmassy and so like just holiday-y. And Oops, sorry. And the other shade we're including is Goliath, and this one's a little bit deeper. So if you can see here, uh-oh, let me fix this one. Let me fix that. Oops. I did it crooked. Let me do it straight. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's straight. Okay. So so these were the shades we included just because we thought they would be so pretty for holiday. So this one is Goliath. So some people got Goliath and some people got Stiletto. I personally like Stiletto better, but my sister liked Goliath better, so we included them both. Yeah, and it's for holiday because there's nothing like a red lip for the holidays. So yeah, and then the piece de resistance, a full-sized, a full-sized deluxe pressed glitter palette with a mirror. So yeah, this is the Glitterholic Palette from XNOCOSMETICS. I've been doing tutorials with it for probably a couple weeks now. So they're all posted. Yes, there's plenty of looks you can make with this palette. I do have it on right now. And these are the lipsticks, and we just think they're so pretty. So yeah, so that is the December Glitzglambox. We hope everyone who subscribes loves the box. Yeah, it's only $15. And next month, I'm going to post the spoilers for next month. We do have some exciting stuff for next month. It's so fun picking out all the different makeup. And everything's glam. And we have all makeup products and beauty tools, like no skincare, no hair care. Like, I know I hate when I get hair care in a beauty box because I'm like, Sephora, you don't know my hair type, so why are you giving me hair products? Okay, so so we just made the beauty box that we would just love to get, you know, in the mail. So there's free shipping in the US. International shipping, email me your address and we'll see. You know, we'll try to work it out so that it's not too expensive. So here are the swatches. So let's get into the starter kit. Now the starter kit is an add-on. You do not have to get the starter kit, but it's good for people who want to grow their makeup collection. So let's get into it. The starter kit is $25, and it includes a full brush set. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe it's 15, a 15 brush set. So, so yeah, so you get that, and then you also get a lash applicator, and then a lash curler, so you get that as well, and you also get a full-size lash glue, and then you get, so here's the lash glue, and I specifically wanted the one with the wand. I hate the tube glues. I was like, no, we're giving the one with the wand. So I know it costs more for us, but I was like, no, the tube is too difficult. Like, it's not easy. And then you also get a full-size glitter glue. So you get a full-size glitter glue, full-size lash glue, you get the applicators, the lash curler and the applicator, and then you also get a deluxe brush set. These are all full-size brushes, and you also get a bonus gift. This bonus gift in this bag was the dual elf sharpener. So yeah, and that's only $25. So I mean, honestly, a lash glue and a brush, like a brush set, usually costs over $25. So right then and there, you already got your money's worth. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. We are on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all at GLITZGLAMBOX. And yeah, thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. Thank you so much to everyone who even follows our Instagram, who even watches our videos, who comments on our posts, likes our posts. We appreciate it so much. This is a family business. Shout out to all my sisters who help out. We have my co-CEO Lauren, who's Goddess in Glasses on Instagram. We have my West Coast operation Michelle, who's Mimi's Freckles on Instagram, and then we have my mixologist Beverly, who's on the East Coast operation with me and Lauren. And Beverly's Instagram is Bev1990 or something. I'll put everyone's Instagram handle so you can follow us all. It's a family operation. Yeah, we really appreciate you guys. So until the next video, bye.